Hi, myself Apurva Jyoti. Today we are going to learn theme number 2, Production, Exchange and Livelihoods, chapter number 6, from Gathering Food to Growing Food, the Earliest People. So before starting the lesson, I would like to ask few questions that have you ever wondered how our families obtain the food you eat? Like how are we getting the food which we are eating? Did you think anytime? How is food grown? How are they grown? The food which we are eating, or what tools are used to grow? Who invented those tools? Did you ever think about this? Few may think, and others may not. But we all know that people, livelihood of people need the basic shelter, like basic things like food, clothing, and shelter, right? All these things, can you imagine any life without these three? Life of the people without these three essential things like food, clothing, and shelter? No, we can't. In order to live, we need to have food. In order to live, we need to have shelter. In order to get protected, we need to have shelter. In order to cover our body, we need to have clothing, right? These are the basic things. And so this is related to this lesson is related to gathering food or grow and growing food, right? So did you ever think how to grow this food? What tools are required? Who invented them? Who prepared these tools? Who gave an idea of these tools? I think by now you got an idea, right? There's nothing but early man, right? So in this chapter we are going to learn how our early man used to collect the food without growing them or with growing them. What sort of thing they have done, what sort of weapons they used, with what they used to gather their food and all, we are going to learn in this. So are they going to prepare food, cook food like us, or like natural things, or they may be depending on natural things? We'll learn detailedly. So many thousands of years ago, people sustained themselves by collecting fruits, flowers, honey, wild grains and edibles, tubers, and roots that grow naturally in the forest. Yes. So in the early times, during the early man times, the people used to depend on the natural uh, nature, like forest, so that they can get food to eat. They used to collect the fruits, flowers, honey, and like tubers like potato and all from the forest, and they used to have it. That is from the nature, from the forest they used to collect, because they used to sustained by themselves. People, they they used to go gather the food and all, right? Now we get all ready made things, but they used to gather the food. They also hunt birds, animals for their food. So they'll collect different types of foods, like not only this fruits, honey, and all, but even the non-veg, like birds, meat. By killing animals, birds, they used to gather, and they used to share the food, and they used to have it. They don't grow any crop or rear any animal. Here, one thing we need to know is that now farmers are growing food crops and all, but at that time they didn't have such a vast knowledge, or they don't know how to grow the crops. They never used to grow the crops. They used to collect the natural things like fruits, honey, and meat of birds, animals, by hunting them, and they used to eat raw. They never grown any crop, any sort of crop. They did not grow the natural things which are available in the forest. They used to have them, like you can see in the picture, right? They are going, few of them are going for hunting and all. They are burning fish, chicken, and all there itself. So one more thing even we need to know about this is, like, suppose If you are sent to a forest, would you be able to find edible oil there? Suppose you go, okay, you went for a tour to forest, and you're searching for some, you're feeling hungry and you're searching for some edible oil or fruits or something. Can you find that particularly? Can you pick up that fruit or from any other eatable thing or anything which is there? Can you find out where is that which you're searching for? You need to know what food is edible, where it is. You need to know first what is edible, where to find it, where it is, how will be it is seen, like where is it available. Everything you need to know. You may also need to know how to eat it. If they are okay, you have found out it, but you need to know how to eat it, because the early people, early mans and all, they don't know how to eat. How to eat in the sense, they used to eat, but the fruits or the vegetables or honey which they brought, or birds meat by hunting them, they used to bring. No matter, they used to bring, they used to hunt them and bring, but they used to eat them in a raw manner without cooking. But we don't do that, right? Can it be eaten raw? Can we eat vegetables, or like few vegetables we can't eat raw, and this meat, eggs and all, can you eat raw? No. Does it have to be cooked or pounded or ground with something else or soaked in water? Means in the sense, like we can't eat raw, like few of meat we can't eat. It should be cooked, mixed. It should be mixed with some sort of spices. It should be mixed with water, and it should be boiled and all. We can't take it directly, right? Even to hunt, so first of all, to get the food they have to hunt. Even to hunt, they have to know whether the animal or the bird which is there can be caught easily. No, they cannot catch them, they'll be running very fast. Then how will they hunt them? In order to hunt, they want weapons. What sort of weapon? Suppose now, weapon is enough, no teacher, you'll be asking. But one more thing, can I say you that if you are writing, if I ask you to write, what will be your first priority? You may take a book, and for writing, what do you want? Pencil or pen, right? If I ask you to draw something, what will be your choice? Pencil. Means you know the correct option, right? There you're able to know the correct one. For drawing, only pencil is used for making sketches and all. But that for writing you can use both, right? So here also, to hunt animals, what sort of animal should be hunt with what sort of weapon? Means for what? For birds, different types of weapons. For like wild animals, different sort of weapons are needed, because all animals will not be the same. They, we can't hunt them easily, so different types of weapons we want. So all these ideas, where did they get? Okay, and this honey and some fruits and vegetables they used to collect from the this forest. Okay, but do they know, are they dangerous or good for health? Because we don't know what sort of thing is that. Just they are getting it, they're feeling hungry, they're picking and are eating, but are they good for health or are they dangerous? We don't know. The early people over many generations have learned about all these things and taught them to their children. So what is this, teacher, you're telling they don't know? And how did they teach? Actually, even they don't know before.